your pipeline looks healthy, but those deals aren't closing. Why? Your reps are busy doing the work, and you're just blind to see the conversations that determine whether you hit quota or miss it by 30%. According to Gartner, companies with dedicated tool-backed sales operations see 15–20% higher revenue growth. Experts are tracking what they call the biggest performance killer of 2026, the admin inversion. Managers spending 70% of their time cleaning CRM data and only 30% thinking strategically. Look at Glovo. Their sales team was drowned in fragmented workflow. Calls in one system, notes in another, backend updates somewhere else. They unified their operations with intelligent telephony, automated data capture, synced everything to their backend, and the result wasn't cosmetic. An 80% boost in call volume, a 10% increase in overall agent productivity. And how do you build that kind of machine? The first step to killing the admin inversion is weaponizing your single source of truth. A CRM like HubSpot or Zoho is not a digital filing cabinet. It's the foundation of your revenue engine. Modern CRMs now use predictive performance analytics to flag deals that are quietly at risk before they implode. ScottMadden reported that moving to unified, cloud-first telephony and CRM stack saved them $90,000 per year. That's $7,500 every month you can reinvest into hiring better reps, training smarter, or, radical thought, not burning people out. But here's the catch. A CRM is only as good as the data inside it, which brings us to the next layer. Because numbers in a CRM tell you what happened, but they don't tell you why. If you're running 500 calls a week, you can't manually review your way to insight. You need conversation intelligence. For mid-market and enterprise teams, that's Gong. Gong becomes an eyes and ears of the manager. It analyzes calls, identifies winning patterns, tracks talk-to-listen ratios, and flags specific keywords that correlate with closed-won deals. It moves you from "I think we're losing on price" to "we're consistently losing on implementation timeline at minute 14. That pattern recognition at the scale. But while Gong is powerful, the power has a price tag. We're talking $1,200 plus per user per year. For smaller teams, that's too much. Now, let's talk about the part nobody wants to admit. What if your biggest bottleneck isn't strategy? It's friction. Manual dialing, manual login, manual follow-up. Research shows reps spend up to 7 hours a week on CRM data entry. That's almost a full workday not selling. This is where CloudTalk quietly becomes the most underrated sales manager tool of 2026. CloudTalk bridges your CRM and the actual conversation. Its AI sales dialer eliminates dialing fatigue. Reps reach more prospects because the sequencing, local numbers, voicemail drops, all automated. And the real unlock, AI call summaries. Instead of reps typing notes after every call, the AI transcribes the conversation and logs it automatically. Revolut reported saving 40+ hours per month by automating these manual sales tasks. And then there is a real-time coaching. With Whisper Coaching, you can step into a live call and guide the rep without the prospect hearing you. Now imagine all of that works perfectly, and then the deal dies to legal. You've coached the rep, the call went well, the prospect say yes, and then the contract process begins. Creating manual PDFs, searching for answers, confusing one version for another. This is a contract gap. DocuSign CLM automates the contract lifecycle so deals don't stall in paperwork purgatory. By moving from manual exchange to automated workflows, managers report speeding up sales cycle by up to 92%. In 2026, sales management is about visibility, automation, and leverage. And if you want to try a demo that bridges the execution layer to your CRM with real-time oversight, check out the free demo link in the description down below. And tell me in the comments, what is the single biggest time drain in your sales stack right now?
CloudTalk.